Evening everybody, welcome to a new video. Actually, is this the evening when you're, I don't know when you're watching this. Whenever you're watching this, what's up? My name's Adam Ivel and you are joining me down the garage tonight for another small installment on my new EP3 acquisition. As the title suggests, tonight's video is finding out what is wrong with my EP3. We know it's nothing drastic, but I just want to find all of the points that I want to change, go through basically everything, and then I know what list to make. I've already started ordering parts and acquiring parts for it. Should be plenty of content on the Nighthawk Black EP3. I need to get the rear quarter off of that so then I can get the rear wheels off and ring someone up to come and scrap the thing, get the doors off of it. Mr. Tom Peck is joining me, so I'm gonna, before he gets here, get the Sylvia out, get this in, because I want to do this in the old garage, proper old school Honda Diary style. Once again, I'm sorry that it's a super dark video, but this is life, man. This is vlogging in England. Woo! No, I really, really love this car. It's so cool. I cannot see what I'm doing. I have to give a massive shout out to my favourite company in the world, which is Iron Hell. So I'm going to use their battery jump pack they gave me. This thing is literally like the size of my camera. It's amazing. It will jump this completely dead battery on this Civic Type R and have it start. It's amazing. This little tiny thing that just plugs into the wall will work absolutely amazing. Obviously we use the torch and all the tools that they sent me so much, especially the grinder. I'm talking to the guys there to see if we can sort out a discount code. I'm trying to get it in time for Christmas. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but we're going to try and work with one of their big suppliers to offer you like an Adam Ivel discount code. Hopefully get some of you guys some money off them so you can use them too. They have made working on the cars down the garage, and I even use this to walk Finn, so they've made this whole thing amazing, especially because I'm such a small creator and they're such a large company. To work with someone like me, I think that's amazing. That was a completely flat car that got started up with this little tiny Iron Hell battery jump pack. Amazing, I love it, I love it! Well, that ticks over nicely over there. Let's get this beast out. As you could probably hear from me moving it around out there, the car's battery is deceased. Now, it is a Halfords one, so it has got a 10-year warranty on them, I think. So we're going to try and find the receipt to be able to bring this car. Even if I have to go buy another one, it's fine. Yeah, that's like the big issue, number one. The battery's just playing up, which makes it hard to move around the unit and stuff. It's not end of the world problem. Once we've got the new battery, we'll be able to drive the car and give it a proper clear out. It's been sat, like I said, for about 18 months unused. So A20s, when they get sat for a little while, they just need a good blast, really. Good clear out, good service and all that malarkey. Timing chain and tensioner and the guides was all done very, like, just before he stopped driving it. So I'm pretty confident with that. As you can see here, the bonnet does not shut properly. Now, I think there's just a problem. I think there's just a problem with this latch just here, and also I think it might all be down to the wire, the bonnet pull wire, which I can show you just here why. So I've just come out to get my Iron Hell torch, but another light of my life has turned up. Hey! That was cute. But Peck, you're not as bright as this thing.
Yeah, you're not right there.
Peck, what do you think to my purchase?
It's all car, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but what do you think to it?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright, you own one of these. Common faults on the EP3, so people know what to look for when they're buying it.
Bottom end failure.
Smoky and VTEC, gearbox crunches, rust. Yeah,
Rust.
Bushings and ball joints, because I know everybody out here would spend £2 grand on wheels but not £200 on ball joints, so... You're going to make this so hard for me to make this a family-friendly video! I was going to show you before I got distracted about my light. Bonnet latch on this. Now, I personally don't know whether it's the actual latch on the front of the car or the fact that this is broken down here. Now, apparently this is a really common thing to go on EPs, so I can get a new one. I've actually already spoke to a company, Jap Service Parts, about getting a replacement one of these because they have them on the shelf, so probably going to be doing that. The interior obviously needs the other seat put in, but that's a video, so we'll do that in another one. Peck, because he's an idiot, took the passenger seat and took this plastic bit off the passenger side one and has lost it. Huh?
What?
You have. Let me show you what bit I mean. So, in my quest to turn this back into an absolutely beautiful OEM Premier Edition, I'm going to be taking that centre console out with that radio. I've already spoke to a couple of people who have got spares, and I've got the original gear knob to put back in. This car is going to get some detail, boys, I'm telling you, because the paint has not really been that loved by Kieran. You can see there's marks all on it. I plan on doing a video with Alan at AM Details, if he ever sends me the video I've asked him to do about detailing this, and it should make a sick, really different type of detailing video, because I've actually been watching a lot of detailing videos recently, and now I actually want to give one a go myself. So that's another thing that needs doing. The paint just needs some loving. So this battery needs to be sat on charge for, I assume, quite a long time, Peg. What do you reckon?
Yeah, just like a couple of hours or something.
Okay, well, we'll leave it overnight. How about that?
Well, I reckon the time we're here, we can jump it.
I'll go get the new battery charger we've got, because... Yeah, we've got plugs. So do that, get that out. We're going to spray this as well, because I'm not having that on there. That's awful. You having an OEM one?
No,
I really dislike that. We're going to change these bolts as well, because we're not having that. It looks terrible. We'll keep these ones on here, though, because they look quite smart. Because that is an aftermarket part, we're going to keep that on there. The next thing, I've called this issues with the EP3, but it's not so much issues.
What are the issues? They're more just...
things that annoy me.
Yeah,
that's what I should call the video. So let me show them that pipe's split as well, because that is an issue. So show them, pick up. So
that is one common problem on these cars.
Okay, so that's a common problem on the EP3 as well, the intake pipe splits. I really want to change that rocker cover for a red one. Have you got a red one?
I've got my J's one.
Nah. So the car also has, down there, you might be able to see, a Toyo Sports manifold. It then mates up to a Toda catback. Now, I am going to take all this off. I have located a new exhaust for it. Really excited about that. The back end of the car actually looks great. The car will go with the private plate as well, because ADP means nothing unless it means like ADP. Think of something funny that's not rude. So realistically, the car doesn't have too many issues. It's like that little pipe over there. The intake pipe, I'll keep the valve cover what it is, because unless someone wants to swap a red one for it, then so be it. I'm keeping the induction kit on it. The car needs a super sick detail, which it will get. Passenger seat putting back in. You're going to get me that bit for the seat, aren't you? Yeah. You're going to find it?
I'll try my hardest.
No, please.
Oh, yeah, I'll try my hardest.
Yeah, and then, please. I don't think you understand how hard they're going to be to get. That bit of the seat, get that in. Clean up the interior. Change out the shifter box. Change out the exhaust. I'll tell you what, Peck. You help me do all of this, and I will take you to Clutch Kit Chicken, and you will never want a Nando's ever again in your life.
In London, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
in Shoreditch.
We'll hold him to this.
Yep. And I promised Peck that, because he's going to help me a lot, so I feel like I owe him at least dinner, but this Clutch Chicken place is like the most expensive chicken in the world. But it is the best chicken ever as well. So we're going to go there.
No questions asked?
No, you're not ordering everything, mate.
Oh.
Sides are £5 each. We're being gentle here. We're not on super good ad rev just yet. Yeah, that is really this with this car. So, battery's now charging. Looking forward to that. Hopefully that saves that battery, so I haven't got to go get another one. I don't really know if there's much more on the EP3 to tell you about this evening, unless we unearth anything else while we're doing it. But I really just wanted to point out everything that irritates me on the car before we start getting stuck in. Actually, let's get the wheels off. Let's do that. What gun are you using? Greatest brand ever. We now have all of the wheels off the car, and it's up on axle stands. It's not up really high because we're not going to be doing a huge amount of work underneath it. The car does have lowering springs on it, which I'm not going to change purely because it's a lot of work to change out springs, and lowering springs aren't the end of the world. So the main thing is to get it looking better than this. So a lot of people are saying they quite like the bronze wheels. I'm going to try and show you like this burnt orange colour that they are. They are not pretty, are they, Peck?
No.
No. I honestly think once the car has silver wheels on it again, it's going to look so good. I am actually really excited for that, and I'm really excited to be able to bring you like a series where it's not like, oh, look at these really super expensive wheels. It's just, look at the refurb. But I'm getting that done tomorrow, so I'll take the camera at work with me, and we'll do a bit of a vlog about the day with the wheels getting done. It should be cool. Wheels all ready for tomorrow, so we will catch up back with EP3 stuff in the morning. For now, we're going to do some fun stuff. What's up, my dudes? I'm just kind of cutting in the end of this video now. We have got a whole nother video from this night, but I didn't want this to be a half-an-hour upload. What I'm doing is going to end the EP3 stuff here. I hope you've enjoyed like a little recap on it. I've ordered some parts are in the process of having some deals done, so we're going to have a lot of progress on this car very fast, hopefully. It's just all about collecting the parts off the people that have them, because I haven't bought anything brand new yet. And I'm dropping the wheels off tomorrow, hopefully. I should get to sleep. I've got to be up early tomorrow, but you know, YouTube life. There's going to be a whole legend upload on its way for you tomorrow. I'm trying to do as many daily uploads as I can at the minute and maximise my free time while I have it. In this video, I better announce the winner of the sticker pack from last video. If this is you, thank you so much for entering. Thank you all so much for taking part in the sticker series. Right, I'm sorry we've had to do another jump cut to another day where I'm equally as tired. In fact, I'm probably even more tired now than I was filming that last bit, but to enter into today's competition, which is 2 iridescent 61 stickers and a keyring. Free pack from me to you. All you gotta do, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and please make sure you subscribe. And then you're entered. Right, back to me saying goodbye. And I really just hope you are enjoying what you're seeing with all the cars. It's really, really cold at the minute, so it's absolutely freezing me down there, and I'm gutted about something that happens in the next video. But you'll just have to wait and see that. I'll see you again next time, guys. Peace.